Girls, so I'm going to talk about the law of definite and multiple proportions. So first, let's start off with definite proportions. Now this law states that all samples of a given compound, no matter how large or small, will have the same ratio of their constituent elements. So first thing to notice is that they are talking about one compound. Two samples but of the same compound. Okay. They contain elements A and B, and they have given you 15 gram of A, 35 gram of B. The second sample has 25 gram of A and what mass of B. So this is a simple conversion factor method. You will write 15 gram of A over 35 gram of B equals 25 gram of A divided by X of B. This is what you have to find. So what you will do is you will cross multiply. So X is equals to 35 times 25 divided by 15. The answer you get is 58.3, and you will choose this option. So this is the law of definite proportions. Now coming to the law of multiple proportions says that when two elements form two different compounds, the masses of element B that combine with 1 gram of element A can be expressed as a ratio of small whole numbers. One thing to notice is that more than one compound. The multiple proportion talks about more than one compound. Okay. The second thing that you need to know is containing the same elements. This is a very important thing to remember about law of multiple, that multiple will talk about more than one compound, but even though there are 2 or 3 compounds, they will have the same elements. Now, for example, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, same elements. They both contain carbon and oxygen, but they are 2 different compounds. Automatically, looking at this, you should know that this is the law of multiple. So, this is a table. Question A, what is the lowest whole number mass ratio of oxygen that combines with the same mass of carbon? When they are asking you in law of multiple to find the mass ratio, the ratio of the other element should be the same. If it is not the same, girls, you make them the same by the conversion factor method that I just told you, okay? But in this case, since it is already given to you that it's the same, you will ignore this, which is the same, and you will simply divide, because they're asking you for oxygen, you will divide 2.664 divided by 1.332, and the answer you get is 2. So you can say the answer is, the ratio is 2:1. Now this is what you have to do. Now coming back to part B, list the name of the law used to answer the above question. It is the law of multiple proportions. One thing you need to remember to check whether your answer is correct or not. This should be, girls, should be a whole number. If it is not a whole number, then that means that you made a mistake, so you go back and check your answers. Okay, I hope this is clear.